So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can create a YouTube playlist on your mobile phone. So for that reason, first of all, open up the YouTube application and simply go with the profile icon on the bottom right side corner. Just simply tap on that, and then from here you can select the playlist, and right beside the view all option you will probably find this plus icon, which is actually to create a YouTube playlist. Alright, then now you can type in the name of this playlist, like I will go with the Kazi tutorials, like that, and then you can select the visibility. So if you want to keep it private, like no one wants to ever find it out, so if you want to keep it private, you can go with the private. Rather than that, if you want to share this playlist, then you can go with the public as well. So we will go with the public. So once you have selected the visibility to public, then you can turn on the collaborative option, which will brings you like if your friends or family members want to add a video to this playlist, if you turn the collaborative option on, then they can add any videos to your playlist as well. So that's how the collaborative option works. So after doing so, you can simply tap on the create button and you are done. So that's how you can simply create a playlist on your Android device or anywhere. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll catch you next time.